Hello China, we are demo hospital room management. So first we test the project first for the dark test, and I use here to test all and it all pass. So let demo overcode. And for number one, it's all about insert delete update. So I don't have the time to demo, so let's keep it and let's move to the assignment. So I can assign the SCAF. The SCAF ID I use is A1, and for room ID choose one. So I have to confirm it. So yes, and we can view it here, and we assign the SCAF to department here, and the room choose one. So we assign the patient to the bed, and we can choose here, and here the room in department 3, department ID 3. So it show here, and we just enter the number 7. So ID we use W1 first GSS the of birth and phone number, and we confirm it. So we can use the data here, and we assign the bed one here. And now for release bed, here the bed that is unavailable that the patient have, and we just select the number to release the bed. So we need confirm it, and now we do it. Here it the bedroom available, and the patient history here, the patient enter and out, and the schedule is complete. And for option 4, we can map the room. So I map recent broken bed ID. So we option it, and now we use the view, and now the room 1 in department ID 3 is maintenance and closed. And now we can view the available room. Here the all data insert, and the one patient left that is in the room, and we can insert set department ID, and it's count all here the information. And for mark room here is the same. So that's all.